Hey everybody, today is Monday, August 5th, 2013, and I want to introduce you to the new ratio trading. There are some changes that have happened over the last several months, and we are now moving towards a slightly different variation of ratio trading. The content and information will be relatively the same, but there are going to be some changes, and you'll learn more about that as time goes on. But I want to get actually right into looking at markets here. And one market in particular that a lot of people have been asking me about is Tesla. So Tesla has seen one heck of a move over the past year and change. You can see down here back in March of last year was kind of hovering into the 30s. It spent a lot of time kind of playing around in that range. And then it started to break out. And then it sort of just really exploded from late last spring all the way up through this summer, and you can see there's been some corrections here and there. But the big question really has been, I want to get into this company. It seems like it's doing real important things and big things, and we're seeing a lot of Teslas on the road. There was just a report that said that Tesla got somewhere along the lines of 8% of the luxury market. So there's a lot of people wondering, is it too late to buy? Should I buy? What should I be doing? Now, keep in mind, I'm not going to tell you whether you should buy or not, but I will say that based on what I'm seeing here, I think that Tesla could be due for a correction. All markets, no matter how great the companies are prone to corrections, right? We've seen that with some of the largest companies in the world, Apple, Google, all those companies are susceptible to corrections. And based on what I'm seeing here with Tesla, I think that there's a good chance that we might see a correction over the next few months. Now, I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow or the day after, but I think longer term, maybe over the next 3 months, 6 months, we could see a significant correction in something like Tesla. So for me personally, I would be waiting for a more significant retracement. In my case, I'd be looking at the fib. I'd be looking at the most recent swing to swing. So the market really started here before it made a massive rally to this high here. It's early in the month, of course. So this is early in the week too. So this candle doesn't tell us much. But I would be looking for a more significant retracement back down into this 50 to 618 if you're looking for sort of a longer term play. Where you're looking for a 3 to 6 month retracement, and then a year out where it could reach new highs. That's my perspective on Tesla right now. Now, based on daily, if you're looking at a daily chart, you can see it's definitely a little bit different here. We see ups and downs and some hard corrections that happen, and then some rallies back up. This right here, if you're looking for like a more shorter term play, I would look at this low to that high. And then if the market can manage to rally, sell off into the 120s region, that's an area where you could buy and look for a pop back up to 130s maybe. Maybe it goes to new highs. But at this point, you can kind of see that over the last several months, right after it got into the $100 range, it still moved, but it hasn't moved in a way that's been consistent every single time. Meaning you see these hard drops, and then it kind of slowly climbs back up, and then hard drops again. So we could see that happen again, and that's why I'm a little bit cautious about buying here at this point. So for me, at the end of the day, I'm looking for a longer term play on Tesla, and right now that's not really being presented here on the daily chart. I have to wait to see what happens on the weekly before I get into that. All right, so hopefully that helps on the Tesla front. And quite frankly, again, you got to trade your rules. You got to follow your trading plan. And if you don't have that, then obviously you shouldn't even be worried about jumping into this stock. Don't trade on emotion. Don't trade on the fear of missing a move. The markets will be there. These setups will occur time and time again. It's just about staying focused and staying patient. All right, guys. So hopefully that helps. You guys have any questions, hit up on Twitter at Ratio Trader or our website. We'll see you guys next time.